Maybe this is why people don't take me on dates. That's so sad. I wanna cry. Hey FAQs, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're gonna have a mukbang of Zimbabwean traditional food. So I prepared some Sadza Guru, which is tripe and muriwo une veggie. Muriwo une veggie, that's so funny. I'm gonna go ahead and add a bit of my dad's chili, but this is like potent for days. So I'm just gonna add like a few drops because it's hectic. So sorry, I'm not gonna be talking as much because your girl needs to chow. Okay, I need a bit more salt in there, just for control. I've met so many people who are at Ogone Kuchika. It's not with the salt, but like, dude, there's salt in there already. I have to do a little dance. This feels weird, like talking while I'm eating. See how this just breaks easily. That's how well cooked you want your guru to be. I can't even talk. This is going down, guys. I'm so sorry. Okay. I saw this one meme. That's Johnny. When you grow. When your girl dances while she's eating, that's just the attitude leaving her body, and I laugh so hard because like that's just me. Like it's touching my core, guys. Like it's not even a game. Actually, guys, I wanted to put a lot of sadza, but then I was like, people will judge me. Like Wanaka, she's so thin when she eats my said. I don't care. Ever since I was little, you know how we train kids to eat the nyama last? It's stuck, guys. I can't eat nyama with my food. It always has to be last. It's so weird. Every time I eat something that's like delicious, my ears itch like crazy, or my nose starts to run. Oh.
Cut the cameras.
It's crazy. That's when you know it's delicious. It's not even the chili, but the food. Guys, guruga. After deciding to get Sadza bones and do another mukbang. Am I going to finish this? I think the pakula. Guys, you know when the domasi just like seeps into the yeah, it's going down. I'm even getting goosebumps. None. I'm enjoying. I'm living my best life. I've just remembered one of my best friends. Hi, Corinne. She was like, "John, do you eat like Uchirugu boarding school?" Because I eat like so fast. It's so funny. Maybe this is why people don't take me on dates. That's so sad. I wanna cry. Scary. I don't care. So that we just know we're going into attack and kill. Yo. Like, so the rubber pizza, guys, but I'm still going to chow. That's when you know it's real. Yeah, no one to eat. Look at this. Chili went down the wrong pipe. Water. Let's continue. I'm almost done. This is chili, bro. And now it's so good that you can't even speak. That's what's happening. Almost out. I know y'all are watching me, but I'm still gonna lick my fingers after this. I don't care. Yeah. Don't like it, Wayne. Yeah. Let's get the muto. I need the muto. Seba. In your mouth. Wow. Have a good time, baby. So good. Fingers is running, but we're good. We're happy. Everything's aligned. I wish I could cry. That it's too good to cry, you know? Finito. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.